If you're sick of having the same rice dishes over and over, then give this Korean beef a try. So while I'm cooking my ground beef, I'm going to make the sauce. It is extremely easy. You start with 1/4 cup of brown sugar, which if you don't have brown sugar, I actually just made a video on how you can make some. You need 1/4 cup of soy sauce, then 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. Then I just go in with some pepper. The recipe that I use does say 1/4 of a teaspoon though, if you want to measure it. 1 tablespoon of ginger. The recipe that I use does call for 1/2 teaspoon of red chili flakes. I've honestly never added it because I never had those on hand, and it's just as good without it, but you can definitely add it. And I just add some sesame seeds. I literally never ever measure them. Sauce up. My ground beef is all cooked, so I'm going to drain it and then I can add the sauce.